Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff, including slightly non-precious metals.
Exactly. This is very different to what we would normally see on this table, but it's very popular nonetheless. We have had a lot of people asking about these because the last time we got them through, they disappeared very, very quickly.
They did. Can you have slightly non-precious metal?
I think they just call them metals.
Is that what it is?
We're just so used to calling we're so used to dealing with precious metals that this just feels a bit strange.
It does slightly. So we're starting at the big end or the little end?
Well, these are all the same design, so I think let's start big.
Let's start big. So we have
See
the
what we're
copper
working
cast
with.
bar in 1 kilo from, where are we? I can't believe how hard these things are to get out of the box sometimes.
There you go.
So these are copper bars from Germania Mint, who do an incredible job with these things. They shrink wrap them, so don't panic. I'm not handling the bar with bare hands. But you can see there the beautiful coppery tones. It's really odd when it comes out of the box. I still instinctively expect it to be
Either
either
silver or gold. Yeah.
Always throws me. Obviously the Germania symbol there. I haven't got my glasses on, but that should be 4 nines.
It is 4 nines.
It is
Fine
4
copper, 1,000 grams.
Beautiful, and then a serial number on the bottom.
Individually serialized, which is super cool.
On the flip side, you've got the, what do we call that?
The hologram sticker, or holographic sticker. Yeah.
Yep. On the other side for authenticity. And as I said, each bar is shrink wrapped. And then, as we've come to expect from Germania, the incredible packaging around it. So each bar is beautifully packaged. So the kilo size. We also have the slightly miniature size.
The 10 ounce version.
The 10 ounce version. So same design. If I stick them next to each other, you can see it. It's just shrunk.
Also still with the serial down the bottom there and the sticker on the back.
Yep. And then last but certainly not least, one we haven't seen before.
No, we just got the 10 ounce and the kilo last time, so it's cool to see these little ones in.
So this one looks like a kilo bar that's got caught in the rain.
Left it out too long.
And shrunk down. So again, in the 5 ounce. Now, really unusual for us, these are actually a fixed price. If you go to the website, you'll see they're a fixed price. Absolutely, if you go down to Bunnings and buy a roll of copper tube, it's probably going to be cheaper, but it's going to be nowhere near as cool.
I was going to say, that is very much the elephant in the room on this one, is the price on them. People will be doing their calculations on the spot price of copper and the price of these going, hang on a minute.
Yeah.
You know, you guys are normally running on, you know, these little tiny little margins above the spot price, and here we are with these, you know, you're talking a serious amount above. Why would someone buy these versus just, like you said, going down to Bunnings?
For a variety of reasons. A, they're cool. B, you know, it's a great design, it's certified, it's all those types of things. And C, it takes a lot less space up in your garage than a roll of copper tubing. However, there are some disadvantages, and we've already touched on them. The big disadvantages is the price, obviously above spot. So they are a fixed price. They will incur GST, just the same as your copper tube does down from Bunnings and all those types of things. So it's something that we get in for popular demand. And you go onto eBay and all those types of things, and you'll see the crazy prices they actually go for. These are just the standard retail price. Available for short term. People know that I don't bring in a lot of these. I'm not a huge fan of bringing them all the way in from Poland, but we do them when the demand builds, and it has. So
Absolutely.
It will be available for a short time.
I think there's a lot of people that kind of look at these going, oh, you know, why wouldn't you just pick up a silver or something like that? With the price of silver, and even before that, we saw these really popular with people that just wanted a nice, big, you know, chunky product from the likes of Germania, you know, well presented, nice and solid in the hand, and yeah, they just...
And they do. And they look great. They're a great conversation piece. They're just good fun. See them as the fun part of your stack, not as, you know, the super serious part of your stack.
That's it.
They're just a good, fun product. Very popular in the market. An asterisk we need to stick on these. This is one of the very rare items that we don't actually buy back. Okay, because it's not what we're set up for, so we kind of don't have any control on it. But you will be able to get rid of them fairly easily. This is not financial advice. You'll be able to get rid of them fairly easily because any of the forums you know, eBay, all those sorts of things, they go nuts over these.
I was going to say, it's not something we'd recommend back to us even if we did, because that's it, the spot price in compared to what they do actually sell for. I'll quickly put up a screenshot of just before at least we release this video, what they have actually been selling for, not just listed for, on the likes of eBay is pretty ridiculous. So that's it. Very, very much a different product. And that's it. We saw this last time, for every comment talking about, you know, there's no way anyone would buy these, there was another 9 or 10 people saying, yep, no, either bought mine or wow, they sold quick, I couldn't get them.
Sold out,
that's it. So, no, very cool to see these two again. Cool to see the different size. And yeah, we will see how long they last this time. There is a few more than just what's here on the table, but I doubt we'll be having them up for very long.
No, that's right. That's it, I think.
That's it. Thank you for listening to the people's pestering, Michael, and in getting these through. I think they will be well loved, and yeah, we'll see if it ever happens again. But for now, that is it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Talk soon.